My name is Tomasz Szmura from University of Warsaw, Poland. Before I came to Taiwan, I expected many difficulties connected with language and cultural difference, but Taiwan occurred to be really familiar, a really friendly place. I always remember my first day here when I was staying in metro station and I reading a map, and one girl asked me if I need any assist and took me to the right metro line. During my staying here, I think it was really valuable time. I had the opportunity to take part in many seminars and conferences. I had access to books, the best journals and sources. I also did many interviews with Taiwan and American officials, as well as top diplomats and scholars from the most prestigious university and think tanks. What is more, I had the opportunity to participate in many cultural activities which helped me better understand Chinese culture. What's more, I took 3 months China course, and I decided that I will continue this language when I come back to my country. What can I say? I really enjoyed my stay in Taiwan. As I said, I think it was really valuable time. What is also important, I can share my research, my thoughts with scholars from around the world. I think it was a great time. I can strongly recommend you to visit Taiwan and spend here time for your researching and your study. I think Taiwan is a great place to be. Thank you.